What's up, everybody? Today we're looking at another smartphone paying application that you guys can use, and you can make a decent amount of money on this one because this one is an investment application of its own. It's called Robinhood. It's available on Android and iOS. It's free to sign up, and you also, when you sign up, you're gonna get a free stock, which is pretty cool. When I signed up, I actually got, I'm gonna show you in my history, I got a Groupon for $4.75. And my friend that got me into it, he also got a free stock as well. So what I've been doing, I'm not really into investing. I haven't been too much into the stock market. I mean, I got like a 401k with my work, but I wanted to get into crypto. And when Robinhood said that they were going to launch crypto in my state, I was just waiting for them to do it, and they finally did it. I'm available to trade for cryptocurrency, and I've been taking some of my money and putting it into my bank on my PayPal cash outs. So like on the left phone you can see my PayPal activity, and I've been doing them $2 cash outs pretty much every day for the past little bit, and I've been putting it into my bank, putting it into Robinhood, and investing that money. So we're gonna take a look just at the home screen here. I really don't care if you see how much I got in here. I just, like I said, I just started. I only got $100 in there. I'm not a financial advisor, anything like that. So just keep in mind, if you're doing investing, there is risk involved. You can lose money, but you can also gain money. So there's a flip to the coin, but we're here to try to make money. So me personally, I decided to go with Dogecoin because it's so cheap. If Bitcoin's your thing, you can go into that. I know Bitcoin's kind of cheap right now. You got Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Ethereum Classic, Bitcoin SV. Any one of these you can invest in. And once you take a look at your investment, you can see a live feed, how it's doing. There's a day, a week, a month, 3 months, a year, 5 year. You can see how it's doing. If you wanted to buy some crypto, it's as easy as hitting trade. I don't have that much in my buying power right now, but let's just do $1. Okay, and then you just swipe up. You can post it in the chat if you want. It's up to you. There's a live chat here too. People talk about what's going on. You can get involved with that. Let's say if you're not into crypto, you could do stocks too. They have commission free stocks. You don't know the name, you can just look it up. Let's say we want to do Best Buy or something. There it is, BBY's the code. We could click on it and we can buy it. The market's on the after hours right now though, so believe if you put in a payment, it wouldn't post till the next time the stock market opened up. But that's what I like about the cryptos. I work night shift, so any time of the day, if I want to buy or sell, I can do it. So I mean, that's pretty much it for the basics. Like I said, you guys will get a free stock when you sign up. It's pretty cool. Referral system. If you know some friends of yours that are into trading and they don't know about Robinhood, maybe tell them about it. Maybe they'll sign up, you'll get a free stock, they'll get a free stock. It's a win-win situation, guys. So that's pretty much gonna do it for this app. Like I said, this is an investment app. This isn't one that you watch videos or something or take surveys. This is something where you're gonna actually take some real money and try to make some more money on it. But like I said, I'm just taking money from my other applications, and I'm taking that money and just trying to make more money on top of the money I've already made. So think about it, guys. It's a great app. I would suggest using it. I use it myself, so most of the apps I use, I really want to promote, especially for the new people out there that don't know anything about this. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, give me a sub, consider subscribing. I'll have more content like this coming out. And I will see you guys in the next video, guys. Take it easy. Have a great night.